So actually, Ayan was 8 months old when we actually started realizing that he is not responding to sounds. So we went to the doctor, our pediatrician. He recommended for a BERA test, and after doing the BERA test, we finally got to know that he has a profound hearing loss. On that spot only, my husband asked the doctor, like, what is the solution for the same? So he told us about the cochlear implant, and that is where that spike of hope, came into us, and we were inclined that we finally have a solution.
From then till now that he's 13, I've seen his journey. I can tell you that I've seen him from not speaking at all to now where he's confident sitting around with people, engaging, celebrating occasions.
My name is Ayan Sharma. I'm 13 years old and I'm studying 8th standard.
Actually, the doctor told us that go for early intervention, और जितना जल्दी आप इसका इम्प्लांट कराएंगे उतना बेटर अयान के लिए होगा, क्योंकि वो उतना जल्दी सुनना शुरू करेगा तो उसकी स्पीच भी उतना जल्दी ही आएगी और ज़्यादा क्लियर होगी. The doctor also advised us that it's better to go with bilateral because the child is able to hear the sound all around from everywhere, and we were also very clear that we have to do it the other year also later on. So why not right now, because it's better for our child and it's better for us as well. And we started the speech therapy as per the doctor told us. So he was going through a speech therapy, and meanwhile the doctor tells us that he is mild autistic as well. For an autistic child, speaking, developing language, being social is very difficult. But I don't think it would have been possible without cochlear implant if Ayan, the way Ayan is responding now to things. So that is the biggest achievement I think I have felt. We were actually waiting for Kanso 3 whenever Kanso 3 is going to launch, and we are going to just get it done.
It was very difficult for Ayan to continue, when he was wearing on-the-ear processors.
And this time I have graded Kanso 3, so I feel like it's an off year and it's just me. I wore it to my heads.
कांजो 3 के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊं कि ही वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड, और उसने जब पहली बार कांजो 3 यूज़ किया उसके बाद में उसने साइकिल चलाना स्टार्ट किया बैंड के साथ में. तो फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ही सेड कि प्लीज़ रिमूव दिस बैंड, और मुझे लगता है कि आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद कांजो 3 और मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एंड वो कॉन्फिडेंस उसमें देख के भी वो वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग एज अ पेरेंट. तो आज अयान खुद से स्कूल में अपने आप जाता है, हम कोई असिस्टेंस नहीं देते हैं उसको. वो साइकिल खुद यूज़ करता है, ट्रैफिक को खुद देखता है, संभालता है.
मैं साइकिल से स्कूल जाता हूँ, अगर कोई पीछे हॉर्न बजाए तो पीछे देख के फिर साइकिल भी साइड पे रोक के फिर सीधा कंफर्टेबली स्कूल जाऊँ.
Now he is listening sounds more clearly because of the latest technology.
Kanso 3 के बारे में सबसे अच्छा फॉरवर्ड फोकस, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा क्लियरिटी में अच्छा लगता है. फॉरवर्ड फोकस मैं अपने फ़ोन से यूज़ करता हूँ. पहला जो प्रोसेसर था ना CP802 और Kanso 3 का डिफरेंस है कि मैंने पहला जो प्रोसेसर था वो जैसा एडवांस फीचर था, कभी नया प्रोसेसर समय को और चीज़ें भी हेल्प करता है.
अब जब हमने उसको कांजो 3 लगवाया उसके बाद में उसकी क्लैरिटी इतनी अच्छी है, और उस क्लैरिटी की वजह से आज शायद लोगों को जब नॉर्मली जब कोई उससे बात करता है तो उसको लगता ही नहीं कि इसको हेयरिंग लॉस भी है.
I remember he used to say chamo chamo like very repeatedly. So I asked Nisha, his mother, what does it mean? So she said it's chalo. So the clarity was not there. So after using this Kanso 3, I have noticed a remarkable transformation. He understands better. He speaks very well. And with confidence, which is very important. And he exchange his thoughts and conversations very well.
So Ayan is now too much technical person. So he loves to make phones with cardboards. That is one of his most creative things which he does.
Yes, I always make my dad models because I want to become an engineer. It's my hobby. That's it. पहले मैं यूट्यूब से वीडियो देखता हूँ, सुनता हूँ, प्रिंट आउट देता हूँ, फिर मुझे समझता हूँ, फिर मैं बनाता हूँ.
In my opinion, I would like to tell all the parents that please go as per your doctor's guidance, because we have come here, by listening to our doctors and opting for the latest technology and opting for cochlear implant, which has changed Ayan's life in a very different and beautiful way.